What is the history of India? 1947, the history of. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ritika K, and today I am going to tell you that the history of India since 1947 is the history of democracy. Now, democracy is not something that exists within the Sabha in Delhi. Democracy exists between you and I. Democracy exists in every village, every municipal home, every city, and democracy starts with local self-government. One of the most important factors that we often overlook is that local self-governments hit closer to home than any of our central or state governments ever do. There's the local self-governments that determine the water we drink. Is it safe or not? The roads we walk on are proper or not? It determines whether villages have electricity or complete darkness. They determine every small aspect of our day-to-day lives, and yet they remain one of the most neglected and overlooked pillars of Indian democracy. So I'll tell you exactly why they're so important. I'll give you a very good example. Back in 1996, the Kerala government came up with Kerala's People's Plan, which said that they will give 40% of the state budget to the local self-government. And look at the results now. Kerala leads in all three categories: literacy, human health, and human development. This is what happens when local self-governments are given power. Lives are changed drastically. The fact that you cannot sit in the center of a city or a state and supervise every small problem of our day-to-day life. This is why we depend on our local self-government, which is exactly why decentralization, financial independence, and autonomy are extremely crucial. However, there's also a downside. For instance, the local self-government in India, the panchayats do not have full-time staff. Can you imagine your state government not having full-time accountants and managers? Yet that is the reality of our Indian panchayats. Moreover, the entire system of local self-governance is dependent over 90% on the state governments for their funding. In conclusion, local self-governments are without money, without autonomy, and without citizen participation. They are next to powerless. And do you know who is to blame for that powerlessness? It is us. We are to blame for that powerlessness because we do not ask for accountability. We do not ask for transparency. We simply turn a blind eye and then expect everything will happen magically. And if they do not, we will complain. This is where Indian citizens stand. My friends, the strength of India's democracy does not lie in the parliament only. So let us not ask who will change India. Let us see, we will do it. Democracy is of the people, by the people, for the people. Ladies and gentlemen, today I ask you to stand up and speak for yourself. Demand accountability, transparency, be vigilant. Development starts with our local self-governments. Development starts here, now, together. Thank you.